Hi, so the first step is to cut the tomatoes as shown in the video. By doing so, it helps us to peel the tomato skin once it is boiled. There are only two steps in this recipe. One is boiling the tomatoes and chilies, and the second one is to grind it. I have boiled them for 10 minutes. Before removing it from the flame, I'm adding the chilies as well so that it becomes soft. Once the tomatoes are boiled and the skin comes off, remove it from the flame. Peel off the skin of the tomato. Before grinding, add sugar, salt, pepper and garlic and grind it into a smooth paste for 2 minutes. Momo chutney is ready. You can check the link in the description to know how momos are made. Thank you so much for watching the video.